Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best drill press vices in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Hardware Factory Store 2-way 4-inch drill press XY compound vise cross slide mill. HFS, TM, 5-inch cross slide vise drill press metal milling 2-way XY heavy duty clamp machine 5 inches. This 5-inch cross sliding vise will easily turn your drill press into a milling machine. With the vise and its precise moving slider, wood and metal parts can be easily processed with high precision and high quality. It can also be connected to a lathe or other tools to fix the workpiece in the exact position required. This drill press vise is constructed from high-quality cast iron and is therefore very durable. The jaws are made with patterned stainless steel and will grip workpieces tightly and securely. This vise can be adjusted from back to front using the 2 attached swivel handles to crank it around. Key points: durable cast iron construction. Powerful, serrated steel jaws. Cold-rolled steel screws. 2 swivel locomote handles for adjusting vise front to back and left to right. Bolt-down slots for securing. Hinged vise locomotive's handle drops out of the way. Designed for woodworking and metalworking. Number 2. Our second best pick is WEN 414 CV 4.25-inch compound cross-slide industrial strength benchtop and drill press vise. The WEN 414 CV 4.25 is the best drill press vise on our list. It comes with a good jaw size, and it can hold pieces up to 4 1/8 inches wide, giving you a very large clamping capacity. It also comes with marks every 1 mm, which allows you to tighten this model with extreme precision that you're unlikely to find on any other drill press vise. It includes a V-shaped groove down the middle, which allows this vise to hold round objects vertically or horizontally for easy drilling. This model is designed to be compatible with most drill presses, which means you should be able to mount it on most drill presses on the market today, and that it's probably compatible with your drill press. The only real knock against this model is that it's tall, so it's going to cut a lot of clearance on smaller drill presses. If you own a larger model, though, this won't affect you. Overall, this is a very good drill press vise, and one that's going to be a very satisfying buy for the vast majority of people. Pros: good jaw size. 1 mm precision. Compatible with most drill presses. Can hold round objects. Cons: large. Number 3. Our third best pick is Performance Tool W3902 Hammer Tough 4-inch drill press vise. This option is well priced and built with a high-quality standard. It is also highly precise. This is important so that the base can sit flat on the table, preventing wobble. The jaw faces are made of hardened steel for durability. It has a powder coat finish and chrome-plated handle for longevity. This tool is specially designed for applications such as drilling, tapping, milling, and grinding, etc. Easy to mount on the steel table I made. Strange that the rotating locks did not have a bar to tighten or loosen the bolts, but this is better. Use an old 18 mm box wrench and just leave it on the bolts to adjust. The quick adjust function is great and works smoothly. Kind of small anvil pad to work with, but is there and does the job. The W3902 comes weighing in at 7.2 pounds, which isn't exactly light. However, this weight is to be expected with a solid durable built device such as this. Overall, this product is another great option. 4 inches jaw opening, 1 1/6 inches throat depth. Specially designed for drill press applications such as drilling, tapping, milling, and grinding. Durable powder coat finish and chrome-plated handle. Replaceable hardened steel jaw faces. Precision ground base and slide. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Delta 2621 4-inch drill press vise. This 4-inch Delta drill press vise is well built and constructed from cast iron for maximum durability. The 2621 can hold work pieces up to 4 inches in size. Despite its rigid construction, it weighs only around 8 pounds, which is fairly light considering its heavy-duty construction. This is an overall good drill press vise with fairly standard features that just do the basics really well. In fact, it may well be the best drill press vise for those on a budget. The built-in grooves are perfect for dowels up to 0.5 inches while drilling. The jaws on this drill press vise are suitable for either wood or metal. You can rest assured when you purchase from a quality brand like Delta, as they have a good reputation. This model also comes with a 2-year warranty. Cast iron construction includes large capacity jaws for holding work pieces up to 4-inch wide. Built-in groove supports dowels up to 1/2 inch in diameter during drilling operations. Use with wood or metal. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Wilton Tools CR3 3-inch cradle-style angle drill press vise. If you need a vise with an angled setup, consider the Wilton 3-inch cradle-style angle drill press vise. It can be used in a variety of applications, such as drilling, tapping, and reaming. It features a cradle design with 90-degree vertical indexing and 1-degree increments. The drill press vise has a side Tommy bar that securely locks in place from 0 to 90 degrees. The material and construction are top-notch. The angle adjustment is smooth and secure when locked. Out of the box, the vise is solid with no play in the moving parts. It is adjustable and has a small footprint, which many users prefer. It's great for projects such as small metal forging. There have been some complaints that it doesn't sit flat on a drill press table. Also, it won't fit with all drill presses. Nice heavy vise, well made and with good locking and movement controls. This is made well enough for home projects, and if I was still doing milling for a living it would be one of my tools. Good product. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.